How to turn on or turn off guided access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, then tap on Guided Access. From here, tap on the Guided Access toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here say, Guided Access keeps the iPhone in a single app, allows you to control which features are available. To start Guided Access, triple click on the side button in the app you want to use. In here, you can also set the passcode. So you can set the passcode, and you can also turn on Face ID. You can also set the time limit for Guided Access at which point when the time is up, it will raise the alarm or it will speak out the alarm. Here you can also turn on accessibility shortcuts. So if I triple click here on the side button, I can then, so let's just turn off background sound. So here, so I can't turn on Guided Access while in the settings menu, so I have to get out of that. And then we have to open up an app. So say if I open up the Photos app in here, I can then triple click 1, 2, 3, and here I can now turn on Guided Access. Then just tap on the start button, and now the app will be locked to the phone will lock to a single app. So you won't be able to open up another app. So if I try to swipe up to go home, I can't do that. So I will be locked to using just one app. To exit Guided Access, I can triple click on the side button here. Then I can just switch it off. Now I put in the passcode to turn it off. And then I can just tap on the end button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.